Welcome back. CCP Mayor Surendra Fatado has released 20 trucks to collect garbage from the city. Even after strike was called off, city is stinking with garbage. A special meeting of the corporators was called on Friday. However, the commissioner of CCP has disappeared from the office when the city is battling garbage crisis. Mayor has accused the commissioner of playing politics, while the dirty politics in the CCP is at its peak. Christmas is being celebrated in the stink and garbage heaps are lying in and around Panji city.
It's all happening while the city is in the Christmas mood. Panji garbage is lying in bins and bags but not lifted. It's been a couple of days. The bin and bags are lying with garbage. Due to unavailability of trucks, the bin bags were not lifted. CCP Commissioner Sanjeet Rodriguez is missing from his office and the work was held up. Finally, Mayor himself released 20 trucks on Friday to clear the garbage. There were heated arguments between BJP corporators and the mayor.
Trucks, I have brought 11 trucks. That is my 11 trucks you should have released. He's playing politics with the life of the people of Panjim. Fuller step, we have taken a resolution that revoking the council decision of the other day. All are inducted. Tenders are cancelled. I have not signed the minutes.
Commissioner एक मिनिटूय थारो नसतना आज मेयरान meeting start केली.
Workers leader Ajit Singh Rane said if commissioner doesn't release all the trucks, then they would go to the respective houses and expose the politics behind the garbage mess in the city.
जर कोणाक राजकारण खेळपाचे आसा आणि कोणाक जर भ्रष्टाचार करपाचे आसा जाल्यार आमी वाट पळयतले आनी 8 दीस गार्बेज आमी कलेक्ट करून दवरलेले आसा. वी नीड ट्रान्सपोर्टेशनासाठी आमकां ट्रकांच्यो चाव्यो आणि ते ड्रायव्हर्स आसा तांकां इन्स्ट्रक्शन वयल्यान येयल्ले जायो. म्हणजे कोण आमचो कमिशनर आसा आणि तेचे जे एई आसा जेई आसा तेंच्या कडल्यान त्यो जर समज दिवंक ना जाल्यार आमी ह्या पणजे शहरान घरांनी वचून शॉपांनी वचून आमी वील बी होल्डिंग अ मॉक ओपिनियन पॉल.
Video journalist Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
Property dealers have cheated several foreigners in Goa. Some foreigners are facing inquiry from the Enforcement Department for violating the FEMA Act. Around 200 cases have been probed. Reserve Bank of India and Goa government has referred these cases to the Enforcement Directorate for investigation. Officials found that most of the foreign nationals bought property to spend their retirement life in Goa. Enforcement officials have cautioned foreigners and NRIs and persons of Indian origin to be cautious and to follow proper procedures of sale deeds in the property matters.
On Friday, first hearing of the Foreign Exchange Management Act violators was held at the Enforcement Directorate. Many foreigners attended the meet. According to sources, during the investigation, it was found that many foreigners have been cheated by the property dealers. Many foreign nationals bought property to spend their post-retirement life in Goa. They don't have any criminal intentions. They were unknown about the FEMA violations. They informed that they were wrongly informed by the property dealers. Most of the cases are pending from last 10 to 12 years. They have requested the Enforcement Directorate to finish the investigation as early as possible. They are facing the issues of registration of property, sale of property and mutation issues. Sources informed that there are nearly 200 cases under investigation, out of which 22 cases have appealed further. Reserve Bank of India and Goa government have referred the cases to the Enforcement Directorate. According to the sources, if the foreigners are found guilty under FEMA, then they have to pay a fine. Enforcement Directorate officials will continue with such hearings on the property frauds. Reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Rushida Shari for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.